How to get cash for commenting on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and any others. So hi, I'm Rona Rivera Raman, your list building lady. And I made a post on my Facebook showing I had made, I think I was about $20 just commenting on different social media, as well as on YouTube, and people are asking how. So this is the area. This shows you how much money I've made through commenting on Facebook, etc. But this isn't really a strategy to get you rich. This is just part of an overall strategy to promote other things. So I thought I'd show you what exactly I do and what you need to do to get cash for comments, and what you need to do to join to get it. So here you see, I've got 221. Apologies, I've got a cold. So what you do, you log into the system. So let me show you my Facebook. I'll put a link in the description to how to join and how you can get it for free, because there's a paid version and there's a way you can get it for free. So my Facebook, there's 2 links that you can join. I'll show you more in depth at the end on how to do this. So you go to the website, you need to become a member, and here you'll see at the moment there's just 3 things that you can comment on. So this person's given 500 credits for you to comment, and I'll show exactly how that works in a bit. So what you do, you click on one of the options, you click here to view the post. So in this instance, it's a Facebook post. So what you would do is you would read the post so you know what it's about. So let me do that, and then I'll think about a comment. So you make a comment, a longer comment. I suggest longer than 5 words, because people are paying to make these comments. So you want it to be a good one and relevant to the post. What we'll do, I'll go back over to here and type the comment. Let me think. Okay, so I've written a comment here. You can't copy and paste into here, so I've typed in here. I'm going to copy this here, and I'm going to go back to the comment. So this is just advertising or promoting a live about online marketing. So I'm going to do is paste the comment here and enter it. So I've commented on here, and I'm going to post it here. So if you look now in my commissions, it'll be pending 25 cents for that comment. If you do this, it's really, really fast. It's really fast. You're just typing and commenting. You just need to read the post. And then usually it takes about 30 days for it to be assigned, because what happens, the person needs to approve the comment to see if it's just not nonsense or spam or something. So if they disapprove it, then you won't get the 25 cents. But they need about 30 days to approve it, and then once it is approved, it gets added to your commissions, and then you can withdraw that money in the normal way that you promote. You withdraw the money through there. You can over there. So then if you go to the inbox, here we can see there's 2 other comments, and you basically do exactly the same. And then you just keep doing that, and then you just build it up every day. You want to check every day, check throughout the day to do that. So you could also add your comments here. So the real money is, most people want to do this so that they can get 25 cents per comment, but actually there's an option here for you to create a new post and buy credits. If you buy credits, you can buy 10 credits for about $5. And this is really good. The reason why you want to do this, because it helps with the viral effect. This is the reason why people pay for the credits, and loads of people have free credits. There's lots of ways to get free credits as well. If you want to know more information about that, let me know. They're always giving away free credits, or if you're part of a membership for something else, you'll be able to get free credits. So when you make any post, so for example, if you go to one of my posts over here, let's do, I haven't used one in a while. So let's go over to probably this one here. Actually, this one I didn't really use many comments, but let me just look up. So if you look on one of my posts, it's a Facebook post again. I used it to get comments. and people commented in about 38 people commented, and every time anyone comments on this or in TikTok or even in LinkedIn, it gets more attention on people's feeds. So if your friends are buyers or your target market, they will see it, because anytime that has interaction, Facebook sees that as a good thing and he wants to share it with more people. And that's more powerful, because if you've got an offer or you've got a promotional offer, this is really, really great to get more attention, and this kind of helps with the viral effect. As I said, there's a paid and free version. The free version is amazing as well. I use the free version every day because it's super, super powerful, but the credits will turbo boost it. I also wanted to show a quick example on TikTok, because TikTok is really important for engagement and stuff. So as I can see, I've sent some traffic or sent some clicks onto TikTok. Not all of them, just some specific ones talking about OLSP. So how do you join? How do you do it? So there's a free way you can get it, and there's a paid way. If you want to do the paid way, the best way and the cheapest way, so if you go to my Facebook, I'll also put this in the description of this video, or just ask me for it. So how do you join? So I'll put the link in the description of this video, or if you're seeing this elsewhere, just ask me for it if you can't see the link. Or if you know me on Facebook, you'll see it. There's usually two links, one here, one here. So if you go to this link, so this is if you want to pay for it, you can go in here. There's a little video about it showing what you need to do. You put your email address in. So let me put my email. So I've put my email address and it's loading, and it's going to send me to this mega funnel. So what it does, watch the video, it's really, really cool. It gives you free training to how to make money online for free. It also gives you a free funnel. You don't need a funnel builder like Groove funnels or ClickFunnels. They just provide one for you. So you click onto that, and then there's an option here for you to put your email address, and you get the funnel for free. Otherwise, you've got to pay like lots of cash for that. So you put your details in there. Let me do that. And you get that funnel sent to you. And the next page is where you can get the comment stuff for free. Okay, so I've put my details in, and it gets me to this next page. So here, watch the video. It'll explain you what you need to do. But basically, for $12.95, you can get guaranteed commissions, and basically that's for commenting. You won't get rich. Honestly, I think you should pay for credits as opposed to getting credits, because there's limits to what you can do, and it depends on people paying for credits or using their free credits to comment for you to comment. So sometimes you can have one comment per day. Sometimes you can have 10. So you need to keep checking. So this is not a way that you can get rich, but going through this funnel will show you all the steps that you need to do online marketing for free. Or it teaches you everything, and you don't need to buy anything else in this funnel, but it's worth going through because you get this funnel for free yourself. So what you can do is pay for this. If you don't want to, you can just go to the next thing. So I've already got it. So this is how you can pay for it. There's also, you can get it for free, and I can show you how to get it for free afterwards. So you can press this, you can purchase it, and then you'll be able to get access to all the free training. If not, you can just kind of go through, and then you can get more information later. So you click on that and you get it. If not, you can kind of press no thanks, and you can see what else you can get. So this is not, this is something else. This is about getting free traffic to your offer. As well. So afterwards, you'll miss it. So if you don't get it at that point, then you've kind of missed it. But you'll get an email address sent to you. So the login details will be emailed to you, and then you can access the free training, plus the ability to get cash for comments. But as I keep saying, it's better to actually pay for comments, or there's lots of different ways to get those comment credits for free to help your post go viral and to promote this free system. I've already made about $11,000, if you can see through here, just by using this free system, and it shows you exactly in the training how to do that as well. As mentioned, there's a way to get people can get this for free without paying the $12, but that's during a membership. But if you want more information about that, let me know. It also gives you free traffic. So that's that. I hope that's clear. If you have any questions, just reach out to me either in comments, or if you know me on Messenger, send me a message and I will let you know more. All right, I hope that helps. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Follow me for more. And I'm at Rona Rivera on all other social medias.